Welcome you all to the continuation of video session on Module 4 Infinite Series and Power Series Solution. So today in this video session I am going to discuss about Roderick's formula and also Legendre's polynomial and related problems. So Roderick's formula is Pn of x is equal to 1 by 2 power n into n factorial dn by dxn of x square minus 1 power n. You have found the solution of Legendre differential equation leading to Pn of x. So using Roderick's formula, Pn of x is given by 1 by 2 power n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 to the power n. Now, if you go on putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., you will get P0, P1, P2, P3 and all, and those are known as Legendre polynomials. For example, when you put n equal to 0, what do you get here when you put n equal to 0? The left hand side is P0 of x. So P0 of x is equal to, put n equal to 0 everywhere on the right hand side also, 1 by 2 power 0. What is 2 power 0? 1. 0 factorial, that is also 1. And 0th derivative. 0th derivative means there is no derivative of this. So 1 by 2 power 0 into 0 factorial. 1 by 2 power 0 into 0 factorial, that is 1. So P0 of x is equal to 1. When n equal to 1, put n equal to 1, you will get P1 of x. I have written here P1 of x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 1, that is 2, into 1 factorial, that is 1. 1 by 2 you have d by dx, n is 1, d by dx of x square minus 1. d by dx of x square minus 1. What is the differentiation of x square minus 1? 2x. So 1 by 2 into 2x. What is 1 by 2 into 2x? That is simply x. Okay. Now when n equal to 2, 1 by 2 square, that is 4, into 2 factorial, that is 2, into d square by dx square of x square minus 1 whole square. Second derivative of x square minus 1 whole square. So you can find the second derivative of x square minus 1. Substitute here and simplify. You will get it as 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Similarly, put n equal to 3. You will get 1 by 2 cube into 3 factorial d cube by dx cube of x square minus 1 to the power 3 and so on. So by giving different values to n, you can find P0 of x, P1 of x, P2 of x, P3 of x, P4 of x and so on. So these are called Legendre polynomials. So remember, note down P0 of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x is equal to half into 3x square minus 1, P3 of x is equal to half into 5x cube minus 3x, P4 of x is 1 by 8 into 35x to the power 4 minus 30x square plus 3 and so on. Up to P4 is enough at the maximum for you to solve the problems. Now using this Legendre's polynomial, we'll solve some related problems. So you have a problem here, that is expressing the given polynomial in terms of Legendre's polynomials. So here the problems are of the type, given any function, you need to express this in terms of Legendre polynomial, that is in terms of P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on. So how do you express this? So I'll explain the method with an example only. So you take the given polynomial or the given function as f of x. So let f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So since you have here maximum x cube, so you have to consider up to P3. If you have the term containing x to the power 4, you have to consider up to P4. Okay, if you have only x square term, maximum power of x is only 2, it's enough. You consider P0, P1, P2. I repeat again, if you have here the maximum power of x as 2, that is up to x square you do not have x cube, x power 4 terms, it's enough if you consider P0 of x, P1 of x, P2 of x. If you have maximum power of x as 3, that is if you have x cube term, you don't have x power 4 and all, then it's enough if you consider P0, P1, P2, P3. If you have x power 4 term also, then you have to consider P0, P1, P2, P3 and also P4. Okay. Now we have here P0 of x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x, P2 of x is equal to half into 3x square minus 1, P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. So these values you need to remember. P0, P1, P2, P3 and all. Okay. Now from this, what you do is, wherever you have 1, a constant, you are writing it in terms of P0 of x. And x to be written in terms of P1 of x. What is x square? You find out from this. What is x square? See, this P2 of x can be rewritten as 2P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. 2 into P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Right? 2 into P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So what is 3x square minus 1? 2P2 of x. So what is 3x square? 2P2 of x plus 1. 2P2 of x plus 1, or 1 plus 2 into P2 of x. So x square is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 2P2 of x. So 1 by 3 into P0 of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x. That 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into P0 of x. Okay, this is how you rewrite in terms of P0 and P2. Now here you have x cube. You have to rewrite this x cube in terms of P3. Okay. So 5x cube minus 3x is equal to 2P2 of x. 5x cube minus 3x is equal to 2P2 of x. So what is 5x cube? 3x plus 2P3 of x. 3x plus 2P3 of x. Divide throughout by 5. So x cube is 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 3 by 5 P1 of x. So write one more step here and find what is x square, x cube. Okay. Then substitute these values in the given function f of x. Substitute this in f of x. So what is f of x? F of x equal to x cube. What is x cube? 2 by 5 P3 of x plus 3 by 5 P1 of x plus next term is 2x square. So plus 2 into x square 1 by 3 into P0 of x plus 2 by 3 into P2 of x minus 4x. So minus 4 into what is your x? P1 of x plus 5, a constant. So 5 into 1, 5 into P0 of x. Okay. So now combine all the terms containing P3, P2, P1 separately. So f of x is equal to, you have only one term containing P3 of x, that is 2 by 5 P3 of x. Then write down the terms containing P2 of x. You have only one here. So outside you have 2. So 4 by 3 P2 of x. Then the coefficient of P1, 3 by 5 minus 4. Take the common denominator, 3 by 5 minus 4. So 3 minus 20 by 5. So that is minus 17 by 5, P1 of x. And here P0 of x is 2 by 3 plus 5. Take the common denominator, 2 plus 15 by 3. That is 17 by 3, P0 of x. Okay. So with this, we will move on to the similar problems. If f of x is if x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a into p0 of x plus b into p1 of x plus c into p2 of x plus d into p3 of x, then find the values of a, b, c, d. This is also the similar problem. You have to express this in terms of P0, P1, P2, P3. Then whatever the coefficient of P0 you will get, that is your A. Coefficient of P1 is B. Coefficient of P2 is your C. Coefficient of P3 is your D. So you take the function as f of x. As in the previous example, substituting for x cube, x square, x1 in terms of Legendre polynomial, f of x is equal to, what is x cube? X cube is 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x plus 2x square, that is 2 into 1 by 3 p0 of x plus 2 by 3 p2 of x minus x. X is p1 of x plus 1. 1 is p0 of x. Now simplify, only one term containing p3, that is 2 by 5 p3 of x, 4 by 3 p2 of x, coefficient of p1, 3 by 5 minus 1, 3 by 5 minus 1. Take the common denominator as 5, 3 minus 5 by 5. So minus 2 by 5, p1 of x plus coefficient of p0, 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 5 by 3, p0 of x. Now compare with the given problem, a into p0 of x plus b into p1 of x, f of x, the given expression is this. So what is a here? Coefficient of p0 of x, 5 by 3. So a is 5 by 3. What is b? B is minus 2 by 5. And C, coefficient of P2, 4 by 3. D, coefficient of P3, 2 by 5. Okay. I'll explain you one more problem. The question may be asked in this form also. Show that x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x is equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x minus 10 by 7 p2 of x plus p1 of x minus 4 by 5 p0 of x. Or they may ask the question as, express this polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomials. That is one and the same. Okay. Now f of x is x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus x. You have the expression for p0 of x, p1 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x, p4 of x. You have x to the power 4 here. So you have to consider p4 of x also. Okay. Now what is x to the power 4? You can go back and verify from the expression of p4 of x to the power 4 is x to the power 4 is equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x plus 4 by 7 p2 of x plus 1 by 5 p0 of x. This is your x to the power 4, and also you have x square, already you have done in the previous problem. Okay, refer and rewrite here. Don't directly write down what is x, x square, x cube, x to the power 4. Then substitute these values in the given f of x. So what is your f of x? x to the power 4. So substitute for x to the power 4, 8 by 35 p4 of x plus 4 by 7 p2 of x plus 1 by 5 p0 of x minus 3 into x square. What is x square? 1 by 3 p0 of x plus 2 by 3 p2 of x plus x. What is x? X is your p1 of x itself, right? So simplify. F of x equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x, 8 by 35 p4 of x, then p3 term is not there because you don't have x cube here. Coefficient of p2, 4 by 7 minus 3 into 2 by 3, that is minus 2. 4 by 7 minus 2. What is 4 by 7 minus 2? Take the common denominator. 4 minus 14 by 7. So minus 10 by 7. Right? Minus 10 by 7 p2 of x. What is the coefficient of p1? It's only one term here, p1 of x. And the coefficient of p0, 1 by 5 minus 1. What is 1 by 5 minus 1? Simplify. Minus 4 by 5 p0 of x. Okay, so you have proved what is given in the question. Take one more example. Show that p2 of cos theta is 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos theta, and p3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. Okay, now you know what is p2 of x and p3 of x. In that, substitute x is equal to cos theta. So p2 of x is equal to half into 3x square minus 1. So to find p2 of cos theta, put x equal to cos theta. p2 of cos theta is 1 by 2 into 3x square. X is cos theta, so x square is cos square theta minus 1. Half into 3 cos square theta minus 1. But what is your cos square theta? Use the trigonometric formula. Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So rewrite p2 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 cos square theta, that is 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. You are substituting for cos square theta minus 1. Right? So this, take the common denominator as 2. So that 2 you can take out. It becomes 1 by 4. 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta minus 2. When you take the common denominator, 3 plus 3 cos 2 theta minus 2. So simplify. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta into 1 by 4. So p2 of cos theta is 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos 2 theta. Okay. Similarly, p3 of x you consider, then find p3 of cos theta. So you have p3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. This already you know the expression. Now p3 of cos theta is half into 5x cube. What is x? X is cos theta. So cos cube theta minus 3 into cos theta. Substitute for x as cos theta. Now use the formula for cos cube theta. What is cos cube theta? Or write down the formula for cos 3 theta. Then from that you find cos cube theta. What is cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Right? Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So what is cos cube theta? 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay. Now p3 of cos theta, rewrite. p3 of cos theta is half into 5 into cos cube theta. What is cos cube theta? 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Substitute for cos cube theta, 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta minus this term minus 3 cos theta. Okay. Now this 4 you can take throughout as common denominator and take it out. It becomes 1 by 8. So 5 cos 3 theta plus 15 cos theta minus, when you take the common denominator as 4, this term will be minus 12 cos theta. 5 cos 3 theta plus 15 cos theta minus 12 cos theta. Simplify these two terms, you can club. 15 cos theta minus 12 cos theta is 3 cos theta. So therefore P3 of cos theta is 1 by 8 5 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta.